We have two thumbs up. That means driver is hands off the controllers in 3, 2, 1, go!
Away we go. Infinibots leaping out, launching 3. Royal Engineers getting fed from the human zone, launching 2. Kilts moving, 2 purple and 1 green robot. Kilts landing. Royal Engineers reaching out, nice long range. That red classifier is looking good and full. Sushi Squad, a little bit of a long range launch, missed on 2. They're trying again, and they miss on 2 again. Here we go with the Royal Engineers and the Infinibots, neck and neck. 75 to 63, Red Alliance lead, not by much, just about 10 points.
3, 2, 1.
Away we go, under piloting. This is going to be a tight match. Both the Infinibots and Royal Engineers being very highly ranked, matched by their partners and their skills. Sushi Squad with a drum intake, launching from afar, not getting far. All right, cheer for the Red Alliance. Go for the Blue Alliance too. Kilts scooping up from the Red Alliance. And launching. Land 3, nice. Red Alliance pulls up a little bit. Sushi Squad still working on accuracy. Infinibots shooting well and frequently for both of those. Accurately talking to Sushi Squad and coaching as they go. So here comes the drum-driven Sushi Squad robot. They score, finally. They get their range. They're better from a short range than a long range. Blue classifier starts pulling up. Are they getting a little bit closer to red? Yes, they are. But Red Alliance pulling up steadily also, keeping up the pace of scoring. There we go, Red Alliance. Royal Engineers and Kilts both waving in artifacts. Exciting match, noisy match, fun match. 3 more in the red classifier. Infinibots looking to even up the game. Come back, they get in from the squad. 26 seconds to go as we speak. What will the end game strategy be? I think Infinibots is going to be trying to score as long as they can, given their accuracy and their pace. Kilts, Royal Engineers in intense collaboration. Contact, multiple contacts in the blue secret tunnel zone and the blue base. Blue robots going into park as we come to end game.
The Blue Alliance takes the victory with a score of 302 to 298, very close. That is going to mean stability for Infinibots at number 2 with 5 ranking points. 1 ranking point will push Royal Robotics down to number 9.